Okay, back with another video. Okay, back with another video. I showed you how to change the battery. Last time I showed you how to replace your battery in a 2017 Plus or an Audi B9. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a 2004 B6 platform of an Audi A4. So as you can see, there is a little clip that holds in the back, the middle. So we're gonna use this screwdriver, ratchet screwdriver, to then put in between and turn. And with this turn, it will detach separate with the key. There. Hopefully you can see that. And then all you do is slide it off. Now, to expose the battery on the fab, on the remote, you will have to separate, just holding two separate parts here, and it will pop open and your keyring will fall off. So we'll replace the battery and we'll then put the new one in. We have our 2032, the 2032 battery that you can get at Target, Walmart, or any department store. And let's go ahead and reassemble. So you put them two parts together and you grab your keyring. You align your keyring, attaching it here. Then you place the battery compartment over, and it should, with a little pressure, it will snap back into place. Then what we want to do is then attach the key and the remote together, and they pretty much slide into place. And again, with a little pressure, as you can see, they're separate. With a little pressure, it snaps back into place. And here you have your remote new battery replacement. Now, without being surprised, you will find that the remote and the trunk unlock won't work. So what you want to do is that we're going to go to the car and we're going to reprogram it to the car. See you in a bit. So as you can see, pressing the button doesn't work. So you'll have to go in the car and reactivate. Thank you. Then when you access the car, you want to put the key in the ignition. Put the key in the ignition and turn on the ignition. So you'll have the dash lights on, but the engine is not running. So then the thing to do, not sure if you'll be able to see, but it's to tap the unlock button, tap the lock button, and then that will be it. Take it out, then that's it. Now you can see that the remote works. Voila! We have now completed our battery replacement. Hope you enjoy.